Welcome to Beyond Bounds, your ultimate destination for DIY car maintenance and repairs. Today, we're focusing on the KIA Picanto 2016, a reliable and efficient vehicle known for its exceptional performance. In this episode, we'll show you how to replace the bumper RR spring stopper, a critical component of the rear suspension system. This project can be done at home, saving you time and money. The bumper RR spring is a crucial part of the rear spring and shock absorber system. It absorbs and dissipates energy from road shocks, ensuring a smooth and safe ride. Over time, this part can wear out, compromising ride comfort and handling stability. You can identify a damaged bumper RR spring stopper by listening for a sound resembling metal hitting metal when driving over bumps. Additionally, visually inspect the rear suspension for signs of damage, such as a torn stopper or a loose cover. Once you identify the damage, you can replace the stopper by yourself. Now, Beyond Bounds will assist you step by step. Follow us. It's pretty simple and easy. First, purchase a replacement bumper RR spring stopper from the manufacturer or an authorized dealer. Open the rear door to access the rear suspension components. Carefully remove the plastic cover on the affected side of the boot. Remove the top rubber cover to access the top nut of the suspension. Using the appropriate tools, loosen the top nut of the suspension. Do not remove it completely. Place a car scissor jack under the lift point of the body to raise the car safely. Loosen the wheel nuts using a wheel brush. Do not remove them completely yet. Use the scissor jack to lift the car off the ground. Ensure the car is securely supported. Once the car is lifted, remove all the wheel nuts and take off the wheel from the car. Locate and loosen the bolt at the bottom of the suspension, which is behind the brake drum. Inside the boot, remove the top nut and the upper strut mount on the suspension fork. Remove the outside bottom bolt to take out the suspension strut assembly. Carefully remove the suspension strut assembly from the vehicle. Remove the outer mount and the cap covering the damaged stopper. Remove the damaged stopper parts and clean the strut assembly for installation. Attach the new stopper, bumper RR spring, to the cover, ensuring it is securely in place. Reinsert the strut assembly through the new stopper. Put the cap and the mount over the new stopper to secure it in place. Insert the strut into the hole and attach the strut mount and nut to the thread from inside the boot. Do not fasten the nut completely yet. From outside the boot, push the suspension to its top position and attach the bolt to its bottom end. Securely tighten the bolt to ensure the suspension is properly in place. Put the wheel back onto the drum and fasten the nuts. Release the scissor jack and remove it from under the car. Fully tighten the top nut inside the boot to secure the suspension. Place the rubber cover back over the top of the suspension to protect the nut. Securely close the plastic cover on the boot to protect the suspension components. Finally, tighten the wheel nuts to ensure the wheel is securely attached to the car. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the bumper RR spring stopper on your KIA Picanto 2016. By following these steps, you've not only improved your car's ride comfort and handling, but also saved money by doing it yourself. Thank you for joining us on this DIY journey with the KIA Picanto 2016. We hope this video has empowered you to tackle more car maintenance projects at home. Stay tuned for more videos from Beyond Bounds. We'll be back with another one soon, exploring more DIY projects and automotive innovations. Until then, happy repairing and see you next time. Goodbye.